want to see what kind of air he gets, and then I'll freaking be like, all right, dude.
Yeah. If everybody has a partner and they look for that partner, then we'll all be together and we'll know if someone's missing.
You're not loud enough. All right. I need you to do that again, please. Oh, shut up.
I'm done.
And then 37.
Everybody get up, get down. If you love the sick sound coming out my mouth, can you feel me now? Tear the club up, feel me now. Tear the club up, feel me now. Yo, I step in clubs like a rock star. Holler at the waitress, you better have a stock bar. Homies on the wall, think before you pop off. I ain't afraid to see the back of a cop car. How far will I go to see you knocked off? Not march, but you're seated with the top dog. Pure stealth, my voice makes your heart stop. We top shelf, used to messing with the monarch.
Jumped in 4-wheel drive and I know better. Always jump in 2-wheel drive or you break an axle. So now I have a broken axle and I have to go back to camp and my weekend is all over. Alright, hold on, baby. Okay. I don't know how that was, but I got whiplash.
We're making a movie!
I ain't trying to reach the pros, I'm trying to teach the pros.
Done dealing with these lame cats, so you better face facts. Lyrics so hard when I spit, you hearing late snaps. Like a scared shooter, cause I kill you with my eyes shut. Vicious in the dark to smack my butt because my life sucks. I strike back, swinging at you with a spike back. People die when they sleep, so I'm only taking light naps. No entourage when I'm killing these bars. Smashing up in your front like I was crashing your car. When I come to spitting venom within the rhythm of every sentence, leaving you defensive, screaming no man come against this. Guarantee you fake cats gon' have to bury me. Long as I got air to breathe, I'll spit to it and carry me. Never find me because I hide in the deep. My words like ghosts come to haunt you while you trying to sleep. To every lost soul's dream that you came just to kidnap. With these kids clap like a monster when I spit back. I'm a monster, psycho, vicious, tight flows, right on sight. So weak cats lie low. You think you know, so insightful. Watch you die slow, cause I might blow. Monster, psycho, vicious, tight flows, right on sight. So weak cats lie low. You think you know, so insightful. Watch you die slow, cause I might blow. Like a giant defiant against these tyrants. Short fuse don't light it, flow poisonous, you bite it. Flow like a cycle, strangle your crew with my mic cord. Why you think they call me vicious when I grab this mic cord? Society, built for rivalry, they lied to me. Told me just to buy the dream and become what I tried to be. Young and stupid, I bought the dreams that they sold. Then their hearts become cold cause I don't fit in the mold. All I promise was to be honest, they tried to take me hostage. I ain't even mad now, I'm just showing you progress. Believe what I am, even if they say I'm so wrong. If you wanna stop me, then you better bring your whole squad. All these people getting battles for wealth. I'm on my own level, dog, I only battle myself. In elite within this game, and this crack is one. In arts that hard, only take out rappers for fun. I'm a monster, psycho, vicious, tight flows, right on sight. So weak cats high low. You think you know, so insightful. Watch you die slow, cause I might blow. Monster, psycho, vicious, tight flows, right on I be combustible, yo. Moving like a pimp, cause all I do is hustle and flow. What is this really? The game's got its stuff so pathetic. A revolutionary, my approach never eclectic. You serious? I know that the real MCs are fearing this when I'm around and grinding like a chick up in their period. My flow the most vicious you heard in your life. Don't believe me? Go ahead and ask Theory and Dry. My mind snaps, many fall victim to my blind rap. Strike back when I speak on beats that I have hijacked. I speak crazy like I lost all the sense of me. Promise to bring misery, they doubt me in this industry. Let the best breathe, my chest free from all this death sleep. Poets at my back, I'ma make the rest respect me. You got to be kidding me.
All right, so we're here with Nate. We got a lesson learned. What happened, Nate?
When you go up a dune, be aware of how the bottom of the dune rolls back in, because if it goes down and has a little lip up, gravity tells us that cars' noses keep going down, and if the ground comes up, the ground and the car kiss, and you don't want that kind of kiss, because that's what we got. Well, we are here having a wonderful Monday. This is the radiator fan. It's off the car. This is the bumper where most of the impact happened. Deanna just went and got the bumper from somewhere. And now she's on her way to Florence Motorsport, which is close to us, to get a fan. And we got them out. Now we got to get them back in. Cause, well, get them in her hands first would be great. So pretty crazy, but thank goodness for this guy who's teaching me a little something about this whole shebang. We're warming the plastic up on this fan casing to try and get it to bend back so it can spin, because we couldn't find a fan. So that's what we're doing right now. Alex, spin that fan. Watch your fingers though.
You want to show them your bumper, why we got this up?
Okay. This is a new bumper. As you can see, the corners are nice and clean, such as that. This is my bumper. Look at those corners. So when it impact hit this way, or excuse me, this way, boom, it actually pushed it back and bent all of this back in, which was holding this fan in an oval position. So, but it did its job. So that's what it's supposed to do. Who knows if it was one impact or a bunch over time.
Put them side by side. Let's look at how bent this guy is. Yeah, do this from the side. Because you can see how this is bent
Straight up. Oh yeah.
See that?
It's bent up and in too.
Yes.
Like,
this is bowed. This is, look at this. This is bowed. This is straight.
yeah.
See that? Crazy.
Quite a difference.
Where of course you had ribs.
I wanna go too.
I think that was the motor. I think we're done. Done for, I think.
suppression, did we? Okay. That's good. Whew. I was worried for a second.
It almost felt like it did, but I was just cruising along here and then it just click just went off.
You want to head back?
Yeah, just to double check it maybe. You think it maybe ate that coolant up already?
I hope not. Okay, you did turn the fuel on. I had it off. I forgot to turn it on.
Yeah, it was cutting out down here, so I turned it back on again.
Of course, Nate's side-by-side's down.
Yeah, oh yeah, no. All right, we're pushing the bike back. Flag, look at the flag.
Yeah. It's harder to see.
Yeah, that should work. Here we go. At least I'm getting it on video.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. Just imagine a year here from now, we'll be looking back at this, laughing. I'm gonna try to avoid hills. Getting closer. Right over there at that island. Oh, I'm glad I had a beer before I left. They're probably like, what is it? There's a random guy just walking around in the desert with a motorcycle helmet on. I'm just taking my afternoon walk. I'm good. I can find some treasures. What do we got here? Anybody need a sock?